Hello friends. Today I would like to share with you certain tips to overcome multiple sclerosis related fatigue. Almost everyone who has MS has experienced fatigue during the course of the disease. However, the exact cause of MS related fatigue remains unknown. Before learning how to beat fatigue, it will be useful to understand and be able to identify a number of distinct characteristics associated specifically with MS related fatigue, such as MS fatigue can begin suddenly and often occurs every day. It can occur in the morning despite having slept the night before and commonly worsens throughout the day. Heat and humidity may aggravate it, and this kind of fatigue is usually more severe and disrupt everyday abilities of an individual. Considering all these characteristics and the implications, it becomes imperative to think of strategies to combat MS-related fatigue, and this requires looking beyond the barriers, educating ourselves about various evidence-based approaches, adopting multidisciplinary approach, and finally setting on the road less taken to achieve your goal. All this can be easily achieved with a strong conviction and a positive mind frame. Are you ready to walk along with me on this path? Alright, here's your first step. Understand your fatigue. Before embarking any treatment plan, you should be able to explicitly elucidate your symptoms. In this case, you should question your own self to figure out what kind of fatigue are you exactly suffering from. This requires addressing few simple questions like, when do I start feeling fatigue? How does my fatigue affect my routine? Who all can I call to help me when I am extremely fatigued? Where all do I feel more fatigued? Which time of the day I am completely fatigued? What all are my priorities for today? And finally, why am I letting fatigue overpower me? So technically, we call it activity tracker. Tip number 2. Once you have your fatigue tracker figured out, it's time to explore various exercise options. Yes, you heard it right. Proper exercises can effectively help in fatigue management in multiple sclerosis. Based on various research on MS patients, we have numerous options like aerobic exercises, resistance training, a combination of both aerobic and resistance training, engaging in any kind of sports activities, exercising with the help of bodyweight support, Pilates, and yoga. As they say, one size doesn't fit all. Hence, you need to work closely with your therapist to customize an exercise regime to suit your physical and mental requirements. Another very acceptable and effective exercise strategy among MS patients is underwater training or aquatic exercises. One can opt for aquatic tai chi, aquatic resistance training, or any other form of exercise which you feel most comfortable. Third important tip, stay cool. Since MS patients may be sensitive to heat and may experience more fatigue when they are in warmer environment or overheated. Under such circumstances, aquatic exercises can be very efficacious. And the other useful techniques are using cooling vest, lower body cold immersion, going in for a swim, using air conditioner or sitting under a fan, taking a cool shower, drinking icy beverages, wearing lightweight clothes, etc. Tip number 4. Practice good, clean living. With this I mean we should undertake various lifestyle modifications that may help us in leading an independent and active life. This requires doing away with the behaviors that may contribute to increase our fatigue levels. So one example for this would be adopting various energy conservation techniques. For example, sitting wherever you can while doing your daily chores. For example, bathing, cooking, washing, etc. Also, eating healthy and right amount of food is very important. Maintaining optimum hydration and getting adequate hours of sleep, these all are a very important aspect of lifestyle modification. Last, tip number 5. Awakening to the problem or mindfulness. We all are aware that fatigue from MS can wreak havoc on your life for many reasons, both at work and home. It may severely limit daily activities and may even result in having to leave your job. So it is worth it to learn how to manage the fatigue caused by MS, and the most important step is to turn mindful towards your own self. So what is mindfulness? In the words of Jon Kabat, mindfulness means paying attention in a particular way, on purpose, in the present moment, and non-judgmentally. So whenever in doubt, talk to your therapist and together you can work out the best possible strategies to lead a healthy and happy life without letting MS overpower you. All the very best and set your war to beat the fatigue now.